Welcome to McCrazy Fit. I'm Tucker. This is a stability ball workout for the glutes and the hamstrings. We'll start sitting on the ball. Here we go. I'm sitting on the ball at the edge of the mat. Knees hip-width apart. Spine tall, cinching in the core and maintaining the structure. I'll exhale and walk out until my mid-upper back is resting on the ball, still cinched in at the core. And then inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, back to bend for 5. Inhale. Exhale back. Hands could be resting on the thighs. Maintaining a nice, strong structure in the midsection. And let's do 5 more, getting the arms involved. So inhale, straighten, and arms come overhead. Exhale back for 5. Mindful not to overarch the back as the arms float overhead. Feeling the muscles in the lats and the side, pulling the arms back to the waist. Last one. Good, and now hands back on the thighs. We're gonna come up into a bridge. Exhale up. Inhale back down for 10. Exhale, squeeze the glutes. Press the hips up. Slowly down. Exhale up, trying to get the waist parallel to the ground, squeezing at the top, inhaling slowly back down. Good, here's 5. Halfway there. All parts of the feet firmly contacting the floor. Three more, almost there. Squeeze at the top, inhale, and slowly lower. Last one. Squeeze. Good, come down. Now let's roll the ball up to the lower back, and we'll slightly turn, straighten the right leg, and the right arm will provide support. Not fully on my side, but just enough to work an inner thigh. So we'll exhale up, inhale down, this left leg strong at about a 90-degree angle. Right leg straight. 5 more. Good, last few. Lower, good. Let's bend that right leg. And I'm gonna roll a little higher, so I'm resting on my lat, turning a little more onto my side, and this left leg will come straight. Inhale to prepare, and exhale, lift. Good, keep that leg nice and straight for 10. 2. Exhale up. Inhale down. 4. 5, and I'm staying tight all through the midsection. So I'm not slumping over the ball, I'm trying to stay nice and straight. Good, last one. Lower, good. Let's rest the leg. We're still staying tight here. And we'll lift the foot, let it hover over the ground, swing forward, and back, good. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale, staying tight. I don't want the hips rocking. Think of the hips being straight up and down, the left to the right. And let's do 2 more. Challenge ourselves to go a little farther forward and a little farther back. Good, drop the leg, and we're gonna roll all the way over onto our belly. So I'm resting belly on the ball, bottom legs are straight, and hands contacting the mat. So I'm in a plank position here, or a push-up position. And we'll inhale, legs straight. Let's exhale, raise the left leg. And back, inhale. Exhale, raise the right. And back, good, 10 on each side. Keep that leg nice and straight. Midsection's tight. Careful not to arch the back as the leg comes up. Good. Here's 5. And keep breathing. Good. Strong shoulders, strong hands. Legs straight. Four more. Good, last one. Excellent. Let's come down and just drape our body over the ball to relax in between sets. And we'll come back up and this time roll even farther forward. So I have my waist on top of the ball. Legs are straight, feet slightly hovering over the ball. Now we'll go both legs at the same time without overarching the lower back for 10. Finding a good balance point. Exhale up, inhale down, good. Six. Legs are straight. 7. Inhale down. Exhale up. Good. Last one. Good. Feet down. Let's roll. Bring the knees all the way down, and we're going to come flat on the belly, legs straight. Arms straight overhead. Have the hands about in the middle of the ball, but on the ground for now. We'll have the legs straight. We're going to go into a slight extension with our arms just slightly squeezing the bottom side of the ball. Chest slightly lift off the mat. Legs are straight. Feet are hovering just off the ground. Shins hovering off the ground. And we're going to go for 10 extensions with the legs. So we're keeping the upper body slightly extended off the ground. There's 4, and then double leg extension, lifting them just a few inches higher. 4 more. From hovering off the ground, just up a few more inches. Good, last one. And bring everything down. Let's push back into a child's pose. I'll come up. We're going to do that side series on the right side. So the left side will be draped over the ball, but we're staying tight here in the core. And we'll begin with the bottom leg straight, right leg at 90 degrees, left leg straight, left arm providing support, nice straight left leg up for 10, and down. Exhale up, inhale down, good. Real strong in that right leg. Foot is flat on the mat. Last one. Good, and now let's roll down a little farther, straighten the left leg, or excuse me, bend the left leg, straighten the right leg. And we'll go up for 10 here. Exhale up, inhale down. Flexing up, slowly lowering. Good, here's 5, 6, belly's tight. 9 and 10, good. Let it rest for a moment. And legs straight, hover over the ground, bring it forward, and bring it back. Don't let the ball move. Forward and back. Hips are stacked. Ball's still, cinched in at the midsection. Legs straight. Let's make the arc a little bigger. 2 more. Last one, go a little farther forward and a little farther back. Ball's not moving. Back to center, lower. Let's come all the way down to a sitting position. I'll put the ball at the end of the mat, lying flat on my back. Arms at my side, palms on the mat. My legs are relatively straight. My ankles are on top of the ball. We'll exhale, bend the knees to draw the ball in. Inhale back to straight for 10. Easy enough so far. Let's stay tight in the core, cinched in the midsection. Mindful of my lower back. It's not moving. Extending, sinking into the mat as my feet come in and out. 3 more. And breathing, head is resting gently on the mat. On this last one, we'll keep the feet in. So the balls of my feet are on the mat. Inhale to prepare, exhale, press the feet into the ball to lift the hips. Try to get those hips in line with the knees, in line with the shoulders. And let's inhale back down. Slowly tap the bottom and exhale back up. Inhale back down for 10, so 8 more. Exhale. Inhale down. Great job, keep that ball still. Here's 5. Neck's nice and relaxed, head is relaxed on the mat, nose pointed straight up to the ceiling. Glutes and hamstrings are working. Three more. Keep breathing. Good, keep working. Last one. Slowly lower down. Good, and let's rest for a moment. And prepare to go into that movement again. Here we go. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, come up. Good, and now let's straighten the legs on the inhale. Exhale in for 10. Inhale out. Exhale in, keep those hips up. 3. 4, good. 5. Here's a hamstring curl. Imagine curling your bicep, but with your leg. Here we go, 3 more. Exhale on the curl. Inhale back. Last one. Good, and legs straight. Let's articulate down, so slowly, spine by spine, starting with the upper back, moving down to the lower back. We'll slowly roll all the way down. Good. And now move the feet a little wider on the ball. Left foot is at 10 o'clock, right foot at 2 o'clock. We're gonna articulate our way back up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, curl all the way up, good. And inhale back down. Again, exhale up, slowly curling. Inhale back down, 4 more. Good. 2 more. Exhaling up. Inhaling down. Good. Last one. Let's stay up. Draw the feet in. Feet still at 10 and 2. We're going to go halfway up and down for 10. 2. 3. A little more pace. 4. 5. Ball's not moving. 6, this last exercise. 7, 3 more. Keep breathing. Good, last one, squeeze. Let's lower the hips slowly. Ball can go away a little bit. Feet flat on the floor, left ankle on the right knee. Pull that right knee up into a tabletop position. I'm trying not to round out my lower back. And drawing in gently on the leg. Release, put it down. Right ankle on the left knee. Bring that knee up. Draw it in gently. Release, grab the back of the legs, kick up. Right leg forward. Bend in the knee. And gently sink in. And straighten the right leg. Back nice and straight, not rounding over. Gently leaning into the stretch. And over to the other side. Left leg kicks out. And leaning in. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and make a purchase, I get a commission at no extra cost to you. Come back, straighten that leg. Back straight. Here's my stability ball playlist. This is the second video, just getting it going. Go check it out. Find your next workout. I'll see you there.